Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to cancel Clarity Check subscription. So friends, if you want to cancel your subscription, follow me on this video. You can directly go to Google, search for this keyword. As you can see here, when you write this keyword, you will see this page. Click this one, you will see this page. Just click this cancellation help. When you click cancellation help, make sure friends write your email address associated with your subscription account. Write your email address here and then click continue. For example, you want to use Google, you can use Google. Just wait, you can use Google accounts. When you click your accounts, write your email address, and then this is my email, not associated. So write your email, and then you will request cancellation process via your email. So guys, and then you can use also customer service, contact customer service and help supporters to cancel your process. This is the email. Just follow simple steps here. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share.